Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, this is the part 11 of learning Microsoft Excel from basics to advanced level, and in this video we will be discussing about the tools with the help of examples in order to better understand each and every one tool that are available in the Microsoft Excel. But in this video we will be discussing the tools from here, and these tools we have discussed in the previous video. Now we will be discussing with the help of example these tools from here, from this spark lines and onwards, and each tool will be discussed with the help of example in order to clearly understand its functions and its applications in everywhere you can use. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos, and also if you want to learn the different softwares related to civil and structural engineering, you can visit my channel. So let's start the first tool, which is the line. In this tool you can insert a line chart within a single cell, like this one. Let's suppose this is the example, and here we want to show the line chart of this data. Means these are the class numbers of different students. If we want to show in the line chart, so we will click on the select the data first, and then we'll click on the line chart. So when we click on the line, so this window will open, and it requires to data range, which is from D bio. This is the column D. This is the column D and starts from bio till the D13, which is this one. And in this input box, it requires to select the locations. So this is the location. We click this cell, and then we'll click on OK. Now you can see the line chart has been dropped, which is this one. So through this you can draw the line chart of the specific data as the spark lines. These are basically the spark lines, and now you can design this. When you select, then the design window or menu bar will open, and here you can design this in different pattern or in different manners. These are the different options you can show in any one as per your requirements and depending on your interest. You can select any one. And also if you want to clear this spark lines, you can select on the clear. You can see this has been now cleared, means deleted, erases. Now we will proceed to the next one, which is the column spark lines. And if you want to show like this data in the column spark lines, so you can insert the column spark lines by selecting the data and click on the columns. So this window will open, and here this requires the range, and which is the selected data from E bio till the E13, and in the next input it requires the location. Let's suppose we select this is the location to draw the insert the column sparklines, and then we'll click on OK. Now you can see the column sparklines has been inserted, and you can change the designs from here is what you want to set. So these are the different options, and here you can see the column sparklines has been selected, and if you want to clear, from here you can show the different high points on the columns. So this is the high point, this is the low one, you can show the low one, which is this one, and you can show also the negative points. You can show the first, so this is the first one, you can see, and you can show the last one, this is the last one, which is this one. And also you can clear, you can also change the color from here, and also you can clear your column sparklines from here, clicking on the clear. So this that has been cleared now. And now we will discuss the third tool in the sparkline, which is the when and last. Here you can insert the when and last sparklines. Let's suppose this is the when and this column is the last. So you will select the data, and then we'll click on the when last. So you will select the location. So this is the location, this one. So delete this one and assign the location, and then click on the OK. Now you can see that the loss and when has been shown in this when and loss graphs. So this is what you can design also them by selecting, and then from here you can change the format. These are a lot of the different types of design for sparklines tools formats available. You can select anyone as per your requirements, and also you can show the high points. So these are the high points, and you can also show the low points. So these are the low, and you can show the first point, these are the first. You can show the end points, the end points. So depending on your requirements and your interest, you can show or hide anything on the when last or the lines or the column sparklines. So from here you can directly go to the line, from here you can directly go to the columns, from here you can directly go to the when and last sparklines. Also from here you can edit your data, and so this will be automatically changed when you change the data. And if you want to clear, so you will select and will go to the design, and then we'll click on the clear. So this will be clear. And so this was what all about the sparklines in terms of line, columns, and when and last. Now we will proceed to the next tool to learn. The next one is the slicers. Slicers, you can slice your you can insert a slicer to filter data interactively. Slicers make it faster and easier to filter pivot tables and queue functions. So this plays a very important role. But in this software, it requires some connections with the internet to proceed with this. So these are the interconnected with the internet, the hyperlinks and slicers. So you will go to the next tool, which is the text buckets. When you click on the text buckets, so now you can see the cursor. It requires to select the text buckets. So now this is the text buckets, and you can write anything in the text buckets. This is what the text buckets, and you can write anything, and you can paste the uh, text buckets anywhere in your Excel sheets. So the next one is so you can also cut it, select by selecting and then by clicking on the cut. You can cut also. The next one is the header and footer. Through this you can provide the header and footer to your Excel sheets. So we will be discussing these tools from the header and footer and onward in the next video. Now if you have any question in these tools, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.